Beach day. Beach day. That's what I'm wearing. Of course, I'm gonna take the socks off, but. I'm a boss in the game.
Man, if I had my suitcase, I'd be like, let's go home.
Man, cause this is ridiculous. Which way did they go?
Well, that's the way they go on foot. I don't know how they got in.
Why you can't park in here? What's in here?
That's why I don't get told away.
Well, we got park in here because I don't be out here walking the puzzle with my TV out.
This is.
Hey, what's up, y'all?
So,
oh my God, I can't deal with this.
Beach day fail. Oh, look at his body.
They look good. I'm gonna tell him, you look good.
Excuse me. You look really good. I said you look really good. Get in this car, come on.
See, now, look, this the way.
I got my piece of beach.
Okay, right.
You know what? You can go down this way. Wait. I say keep going straight till it's like another like.
I wish this was like.
You got hit like right.
San Francisco, where somebody could pay you in front of their house.
Y'all just ain't this on the radio.
No, it's on Mom's flash drive.
They ain't letting you in.
Yeah, I just take you that way. There's no way to go in there.
They ain't gonna let you go in there, see?
Yeah. See, you see, that's what I'm talking about. Like, you can find a way to hit a corner this way, then that'd be the way to go. I know we're going to but like, we just gotta find a way to get here.
Gallery only, man. What's in here, homie? Bike shop.
I'm so. We got this whole suitcase to bring. I'm glad I didn't bring no bag to carry.
Diablo. Say what's up, Diablo.
Okay, Bria?
Shay Shay.
Oh, look at you! And that's how I was when I went to the Hawaii, my parents. I was so mad. I was like, whoa. Oh, there go Keisha. Hey. You looking like Davey. That's what he remind me of.
So you was around here panicking and shit, but I told you just to sit down and wait. Yeah, I was panicking because it was the answering. But sit down. We use the beach.
He just made it to. What the fuck is this beach called again? Stinson Beach? Shit. I'm getting sand all in my. That's Layla right there. Layla. Sand feel good. Hey, Layla.
How you doing, sweetie? Pretty.
Pretty girl. Look
Yes.
like your mama.
Okay.
Oh, I see her.
Hey, we made it. Finally.
Well, we've been here for a minute. I was about to say, that's the hardest thing to get down, huh?
Hey,
That's when the nerves get bad.
So, wait a minute.
Hi. Good, how are you?
They cover.
This is beautiful. This is water, man. Is it gonna reach in my feet? Ah! Oh!
Look, zoom in on his legs. Look like some lizard feet. No.
Hold on, bro. Don't
Play the drums on the stomach like
that heart trick.
And I called him a fat Oompa Loompa.
Oh.
I said if he could touch his
Look at
belly
him.
button, it go bloop.
This
Oh.
is like an African booty scratcher. Look at him. He looks like he came straight from Africa and Jamaica.
And where did you come from?
I came from myself.
Biggie and Tupac had a kid.
Yeah, would I be a goat then, right?
No.
Tiggy. He's got in there. Bupak.
No, he looked like Bebop from, what's it called? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Look, you can't talk about
Bro, you
nobody
look
feet
like
being ashy. Look
Bro,
right there.
he look like Donatello. Look, you can tell he look like Donatello.
Looking ass.
He look like Master Splinter too. You look like Master Splinter, Lost cousin.
My daddy didn't have no
But
baby.
Damon was handsome though. He was good looking. He's still good looking though. You think he's too light skinned to you?
Yeah, I can't
This
do it.
nigga plotting.
Girl, you know he thought he was all that back then. You know you did. Well, I guess all the kids too.
Right.
You know you graduated from math. It's all good.
Okay.
Let me see if I'm good.
He like, it's too hot right now. It's too hot. I hear
If
it.
I see another one, sister, like, I was
Real?
like, get it, because it was $25 or two. Okay.
Y'all, so it's only been like what, 10 hours since I deleted my fucking social media, and I keep going on my phone. I keep scrolling. Well, like I keep doing this. Hold on, I'll show you guys. Like I keep looking for apps to use, but I don't have none. Like that's it. So yeah, my other brother just called. My twin niece and nephew was born today. Aww. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Like, I'm so happy. He just called me. I'm gonna insert the clips right now. Look at my little nephew. Oh. No. Why?
Because I want all my girls back to back and I want Davion to be youngest.
He's so extra.
Oh man, I have to come see them.
If you could break down to one word, what is the theme?
Ambition.
There you go. Little paragraph, but I want you all to notice that on summarizing for a whole page, like that's way too much. Briefly summarize.
So y'all just took over my bed, huh? You just took over my bed?
Hey baby,
Go baby, get up.
who made this beat?
Go baby.
So quick. Everybody know I'm the shit out of you. You don't like
Back. Your bitch.
Take a bit my lips. I pop at your bitch.
And she all on my, and she be like, lift, and I be like, long as I can bust. Hey. I'm running a little bit behind. Oh, I don't even think I told you where I was going. I'm gonna go pick up my brother at the Greyhound. He's coming from Nevada. You know, he moved out there. He just had his twins. He's actually coming to get the car. Oh, I think I did tell you guys, because I was supposed to show you guys the car. So let me show you the car that he's coming to pick up. Supposedly, we'll see. Shut up. Yeah, it's the one that he's supposed to be trying to take off mom's. Feel me? I think it's a 99. It's a good car. You feel me?
Stop sign. Turn right.
Anyways, though, let me get in the car. Oh, you can't see me. Yeah, I need gas.
At the lights, turn right onto 14th Street.
Why are you going so fucking slow?
Now everybody's fine, and they'll never say the sauce. So no emotion, but it's shit I really feel inside. I bounce out to get on feet, now I don't sit and ride. Like why the strippers on one side, cause nigga we in here. 10-hour drive, struggling up, I use my knee to steer.
So yeah, man. Anyways, I'm at the Greyhound right now. My brother said I think I should leave the crib around 3:17 or 3:20. Well, I'm already here, so it doesn't matter. What should I talk about? But I really don't know what to talk about. I guess I'll turn the camera on when my brother get here. I don't want to waste any more battery life. So yeah, see y'all in the next clip. Picked up baby bro.
Oh, you is? You recording right now?
Yeah, picked up baby brother.
Yeah, man. I'm out here only for a day, but I'm gonna spend the night though. So sold the Benz.
Bro.
Damn, who is that?
It's like the customer service. I'm gonna put this motherfucker
Put that shit on mute. Mute all. Nigga, you is not shit in that boost ass motherfucking. What's that? A Chevy? What's that? Malibu?
I think think it was a Malibu.
I'm finna cop this little Lexus, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my mama, you know what I'm saying, for looking out for me. Jasmine just picked me up, so we out here vlogging. I'm finna go see little bro. I'm little bro, but we finna go see little bro. And yeah, I'm finna catch up and shit. Jazzy behind the wheel and ready. I'm just excited to be out here though.
Yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie, I love being back out.
Yeah, especially the good part, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, man, there's something about the West that's more chill. I don't know.
It's hella gentrified.
Yeah, that's what it is. All the young niggas took over the East, you know what I'm saying? Like, you go to the East, all you gonna hear about is the gangs and shit like that. White people out here chilling. I just want to get the day. I just want y'all to see, like, us driving through the city, man. We in the building, man. We out there, bit, man.
So today is, it's 11/11 too. Let's see if I can get it on camera before. It's 11/11. Make a motherfucking wish. Anyways, we're supposed to be going to the pier. Me, my mom, my brother, my little cousins. Yeah, that's supposed to be the plan today. Yesterday we all went bowling. That shit was cool. With my little cousins. So I got my Shake Shack. Bro, why the fuck do y'all keep screaming? Anyways, I got my buffalo sandwich. It's pretty good. I'm on the 4th floor of this San Francisco mall. You see they got the movie theater over there. I don't know why people keep screaming. You see the headphone seat? I'm leaving the 4th floor of the mall. This motherfucker is so nice, bro. Like, whoever designed this mall, bro, this shit is, this is nuts. I can't even, like, describe in words, like. You see how fucking tall the mall is? That's crazy.
Bro, with the money long as 6 mile, 3 mile, like your down, pick her up, like her back down, pull her trace up. Yes, I slap girl, yes, I slap dog, yes, I slap out.
Yes, I'll slap a pussy nigga if he act out. Yes, I call cases on the road. Kill it, bro. Kill me if it's shit. I'm gonna kill you.
Spend a lot of time on the arms, them gorillas.
Stood tall down, and niggas on me.
Who been silly? I don't even want to thank your chicken, make a bitch for my dogs. Cause we do it better, plus we do it better than you. I'm at home when I'm down there.
Well, I kinda like these. Look at this shit, bro. This shit is crazy. Look, I'm on the 4th floor of Nordstrom. This is how it looks. This is the view. This is crazy. Like, whoever designed this mall, they go crazy for this.
Can I have $1, please?
You can have some hope. Yeah. He gig.